Imagine yourself in this 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8-cylinder engine, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, auto-off headlights, auxiliary PWR outlet and dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.